Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating an opening where you can safely commit to down B. Move in with a dash or short hop and test a shield poke. Once done, bait a predictable landing or recovery. Make sure to read the opponent's end lag so your down B lands cleanly. Hold center stage and avoid platforms for the initial attempt because you need solid contact. Do this until you can consistently recognize the window. The why here is simple. Down B demands precise timing and positional control. You now focus on the actual input. Press down +B when the opponent is in the exact contact window. Timing is everything. Once you're confident, mix short hopped aerials and fast falls to subtly change your hitbox placement so the move connects. Make sure to practice rhythm. A slight early or late press removes the hit. When you get hit instead, immediately use shield or roll to reduce punishment, and learn which approaches let you press down +B safely versus which get you punished. You finish the sequence by converting a successful down B into follow-ups. After landing, quickly use a jab, aerial, or dash attack to extend damage. Once done, look for recovery habits to edgeguard with down B when they return too low or predictable. If things go wrong, retrace your inputs and adjust timing by a frame or two and change spacing by a small amount. This is the main troubleshooting tip because most failures are timing or spacing errors rather than input issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.